Are you struggling to filter an array of objects by multiple properties and values? If so, you're not alone. Today, we're diving into how to filter an array of objects effectively, and I promise you, it's easier than you think. I totally get it. It can be really frustrating when you have a data set and you want to extract specific information, but you're not sure how to do it. This is a common challenge for many developers. Here's the specific question we're addressing today. One user asked, is it possible to filter an array of objects by multiple values? They provided an example with term IDs 5 and 6 and the type car. Sound familiar? Let's explore this together. So what does filtering by multiple properties look like? Essentially, you want to narrow down your dataset to only include objects that meet all your specified criteria. This can be done using various methods, including libraries that simplify the process. And stick around. At the end of this video, I'll share a powerful library that can make filtering even easier. You won't want to miss it. To filter an array of objects by multiple properties and values, the user can utilize the JavaScript filter method. This method allows for creating a new array with all elements that pass the test implemented by the provided function. Next, the user should define the criteria for filtering. In this case, the user wants to filter by term IDs 5 and 6 and the type car. This can be done by checking if each object's term ID is either 5 or 6, and if the type is car. Now the user can implement the filter function. They will pass a function to the filter method that checks if each object meets the defined criteria. This will return a new array containing only the objects that match. Finally, the user can log the filtered array to see the results. This will show all objects that match the specified term IDs and type. Fun fact: did you know that the first programming languages were created in the 1950s? They were much simpler than what we use today, but they laid the groundwork for all the amazing things we can do now. Now, let's look at the answers provided by other users. Another user offers an alternative solution using Lodash's filter and reduce methods. They suggest creating an array of conditions to filter by and then using reduce to combine the results. Here's the library tip I promised. Lodash not only simplifies filtering, but also offers a ton of other utilities that can save you time and effort in your coding projects. And there you have it. You now know how to filter an array of objects by multiple properties and values. Remember, using libraries like Lodash can make your coding life much easier. If you found this video helpful, please subscribe for more tips and tricks.